welcome back to the Adjunct's Kitchen. We make affordable, easy to prepare, and delicious meals for you part-time cooks. My name's Chad Seeger, and if you like mozzarella sticks, we have a very special treat, because today we have fried mozzarella with tomato bruschetta. For this dish, you're going to have semi-fresh mozzarella, fresh tomatoes, extra virgin olive oil, fresh basil, red onion, flour, eggs, breadcrumbs, black pepper, and Parmesan cheese. And here are the simple steps to making fried mozzarella. To get started on this dish, start by making some tomato bruschetta. Do that by cutting some tomatoes into small cubes. And then finally dice some onion. Next, shred some basil. Then add it to the bruschetta. A little bit of olive oil. Some black pepper. Give it a stir. Next, you're going to want to prep your mozzarella. So cut your mozzarella into small little squares or rectangles just like that. Want them about a ½ inch thick. Next, we want our dredging bowls prepped. So that means one with flour, breadcrumbs with Italian seasoning, and finally the egg wash. Over at the stove, get a medium-sized saucepan up to medium-high. As your pan heats up, get your dredging stations ready. So I've got the flour, the egg wash, and then the breadcrumbs. Once your pan is almost up to temp, add the olive oil. Give it a good coating. Now start by dredging the mozzarella in the flour. It's probably best to do this by hand. Shake off any excess. Then into the egg wash. Get it nice and coated. Try to get every part coated. And then into the breadcrumbs. And right into the oil. And simply repeat the process for the rest of the mozzarella. Flour, good coating, into the egg wash. Breadcrumbs, and right into the oil. After about 2 to 3 minutes, flip them carefully. They're already starting to melt a little. Oh, that's beautiful. After another minute, kill the heat. And these guys are ready for plating. So carefully with a spatula, gently pick them up. Put them right down on the plate. There you have fried mozzarella. To finish these, spoon some of that bruschetta right on top. Then hit it with some Parmesan cheese. Put a little sprig of basil. And there you have it, fried mozzarella. I like to think of this as an elevated, easy to prepare, and affordable mozzarella stick, and the presentation just looks great. Thanks everybody for watching. If you have any questions or requests for other dishes, leave them in the comment section below. Like and subscribe if you like what you saw, and I'll see you on the next Adjunct's Kitchen.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel!